Hey everyone, so today we are adding a second Kirkland battery. This battery was from late last year, 620. The new battery is 521. It didn't get a whole lot of use, so I have no problem adding another one. They do say to use new batteries, both batteries new, otherwise they won't discharge evenly and you'll have issues. So I've already put a safety strap in here. I have a metal container, and if these batteries are bouncing at all, they're going to bounce up and hit my lid and cause problems in the trailer, possibly blow up a battery. I don't want to take the chance, so we're strapping these in, and then we got wood blocks that go in the back and the front, which are just used for the stabilizer legs. So we got our mat down below, and now we'll put in our battery. So these batteries, we're going to run them in parallel, and what parallel is negative to negative and positive to positive. And then as you're draining them, they'll drain equally and charge back equally. I don't know a whole lot about batteries, but I spoke to my brother-in-law who's an electrician, and he said he has his batteries on his trailer in parallel as well. So I'm doing the same thing. Before we do anything, I'm going to strap it down so the straps don't get in the way. And you can get these buckles on Amazon. And I just cut some extra off one of the ratchet straps we have. And that'll hold that there, just enough that it doesn't bounce up and down. Okay, so let's get our negative on. And I did crimp it a little crooked. Putting a lock washer. Again, you don't want anything to bounce off. So that's good for that side. This side already has a lock washer below. It just goes on like that, and then same for the other side. And again, this is positive, and we'll just run that underneath. Make sure to be cautious of your ends. You don't want that to touch metal while you're doing this. And again, another lock washer. Undo my positive. On there again, this one has a lock washer on it. So you guys can see what I'm doing here. These ones have wing nuts, and there is a lock washer down below, and so we'll just tighten it up as tight as we can get it by hand. And because these have nuts on them and not wing nuts, we're going to tighten them with a wrench here. Make sure they're tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. You can see this chain here. I was worried about this chain. The box is grounded, so if it hits the negative, it's not a big deal. I might put a piece of tape over here. But other than that, that's it. So there's my two 12-volt Kirkland batteries. Kirkland or Interstate. I believe Interstate makes them for Costco. And these are 27 DC, so deep cycle batteries. There you go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and even if I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer for you guys. Make sure you subscribe down below for more cargo trailer videos. Catch you on the next one.